Hello everybody, welcome back to Creative Grassroots. I'm Jen, and today I'm here to show y'all some tips and tricks I learned on growing cauliflower. So one of the first things I learned about growing cauliflower is that you have to cover the big beautiful white heads with the outer layers of the leaves. Covering up the cauliflower helps protect from sun damage. Cauliflower is a cool weather crop. It does not grow well in heat. Cauliflower grows best in between 50 and 70 degrees. It prefers the pH levels of the soil to stay between 6 and 7. All of my cauliflower was started last spring and kept in shade throughout the spring and summer till fall, where we had transplanted it over to the garden bed. From sowing to maturity, cauliflower generally takes 3 to 5 months to grow. Of course, all depends on your cauliflower variety, your climate, and your growing zone. Instead of uprooting the whole plant, what I do is simply cut the stem right at the base, allowing the roots of the plant to break down into healthy microorganisms for the soil. Growing cauliflower is very similar to growing broccoli. Other than color, there's only one big difference between the two. Cauliflower only produces one main head, while broccoli produces multiple heads after being pruned. Just like broccoli though, cauliflower is completely edible from the stems to the leaves. It can be cooked down just like any other dark leafy green. Extreme cold, heat, or even drought will cause malformation in the cauliflower head, causing the flowers in the cauliflower head to begin to separate. See the difference between the two? One's very compact and one's breaking apart. And did you know there's more than one color of cauliflower? Cauliflower comes in multiple different colors, including white, green, purple, and orange. I recently planted some purple cauliflower, and I look forward to showing y'all the update on that in another video. After pruning all this cauliflower, we're going to have to blanch it. Blanching consists of bringing a pot of water to a boil and placing the cauliflower in for roughly 2 minutes. After boiling for 2 minutes, the cauliflower is then placed into a bowl of iced water. The iced water will help shock the cauliflower, bring out all of its wonderful flavor. Another tip I'd like to share doesn't only apply to cauliflower. My next tip is to keep your crops in your garden always rotated. By rotating all of your crops in the garden, it helps reduce diseases and balance out nutrients in your soil. Generally, I water every 2 to 3 days, depending on the month, the season, or the heat index. When it comes to fertilizer, I use a Spoma, organic blood meal. The blood meal is loaded with nitrogen that helps bring out all the wonderful flavor and color in my vegetables. Any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them down in the comments section. I sure do hope I inspired someone out there to start growing. Thank you all for joining me again over at Creative Grassroots. I'm Jen, and I look forward to seeing y'all again next time.